I don't know if you love some sorting out videos, but here I am, like a month later or something, sorting out my wardrobe because I just came back from vacation, which was pretty hot weather there. I accidentally jumped from 25 degrees to 8, like literally 8 degrees, guys. And I haven't sorted out my wardrobe, of course. I just done literally a bunch of laundry, even more ironing because I hate ironing, so I remember everything. Every little minute that I spent ironing. And now I need to sort out my wardrobe. I have literally so much in here. I don't even want to start, okay? Also, you can see I have a new camera. Hello there. I have a new mic. We're gonna figure out how it works because literally I just started using it. I hope that the quality of those videos will be better because I really enjoy making them. And yeah, we're gonna do some tidying up. I already regret that I have so much clothes, but we need to figure out everything that I have in my wardrobe because I don't think I will be able to wear anything summer related anymore because obviously it's October and we need to prepare my wardrobe. We need to tidy up everything that we have there. I hope you enjoy tidying up. I will probably do a time lapse of me sorting out this huge mess. And yeah, we're gonna talk a little bit about how to prepare your wardrobe for some fall and winter. Okay, let's go. If you don't know me, my name is Anya. I'm looking for my style right here. You can subscribe if you want. I hope this channel will grow anywhere else. So yeah, give me some comments. Do you sort out your wardrobe before the season, or you haven't done this yet, or you just have a big wardrobe? Let's go, because I love talking, you know. Let me introduce you to my wardrobe. This is what we're working with. We can figure it out. We'll try and figure out what I still need and what we can definitely put into the suitcases to wear the next year. So firstly, let's figure out this huge mess right there. And also, if you can see a little tiny bit of pink shading in my hair, you're lucky not to see me in a worse condition. So this is the better version of what it's been. I'm gonna try and do something else with this later, but for now we're looking like a teenager. Okay, so as the end of this huge mess, I've got some stuff that I use for traveling, literally just a bunch of bags, plastic bags, dust bags, something like that. Some of the things that I actually wore before, and you can see this is my sweatpants that I wore with the sweatshirt that I have on right now, and literally just some jeans and a bunch of just things from my suitcase that we're gonna figure out because some of them are just jeans that I'm gonna wear and some of them are super summery clothes like that, as you can see. I literally have all of my jewelry that I traveled with looking like that because I am messy like this. Before we'll figure out what we're not gonna wear, I firstly need to get out of under the bed everything that I wear in the winter, including my pajamas, as you can see. I need to prepare everything because I think it's gonna be colder and colder every day. It's already like sometimes even 10 degrees, which I don't understand. I hope it's gonna get a little bit better, but I'm not quite sure that it will. So yeah, I just want to be prepared because now I literally have nothing to wear other than this sweatshirt. Honestly, right now, when I look at everything that I have in here, I literally just want to grab everything and put it inside of the suitcase because I don't think I will wear anything of this for the video. I think we need to go through and just see what we have, what I can wear, what I cannot wear, and then we're gonna try and put everything that I have in here, everything warm and cozy inside of my wardrobe. And then we also need to go through the pile that I have on the bed as well. Everything too summery goes away. Also, if you don't know, this is not all of my wardrobe. This is just a little bit of my wardrobe, even though it has grown up of my control a little bit. So yes, I also think that I will go through and maybe something that I don't want to wear for a little bit, I will give to my mom back because she also will soon visit us. So I think I will need to get her away something that I haven't worn in a while, and I don't think that I will, but I also don't want to get rid of it. So let's try and do this. So are you good? Are you comfy there? Okay, so I'm definitely getting rid of this lay suit because obviously it is linen, so linen is not gonna be worn until the next year. I'm gonna keep this white skirt for just a little bit because I think it's gonna be around 20 degrees, so I can wear it. This dress I'm definitely not wearing because it's summery and linen. This red dress is of course very summery. It's not gonna be worn. This dress I just came back with from the vacation. I washed it and ironed it, but it needs to go away. This dress I think I can style, even though I don't know why I'm not wearing it. It's kind of sexy for me, like for my understanding of sexiness, but actually it's kind of looking like a dress that Carrie Bradshaw wore the other day. This dress is new. I want to wear it. You might have seen it in one of my shorts. And then this dress, I don't know. It's like a sleep dress. A sleep dress made out of viscose. I really want to wear it, but I don't know if I can. So I'm gonna just stick to it a little bit. Here, I have a red t-shirt that I'm gonna wear. This thing, I kind of want to keep in my wardrobe for a little bit. I just cut off the sleeves off of it. You can see it on my TikTok, or maybe I put it here on YouTube. I don't know. It was on shorts, literally. I had a 2-week vacation from long videos, if you can say so, because my laptop was in service. So I tried to make as many shorts as I could, but I'm not a shorts kind of girl. So this linen shirt was just washed and ironed for no reason because it goes away. This top I really enjoy. I really love it. I really want to keep it because maybe I will wear it with some long sleeve top. I love this shirt so much. It's amazing. It's my new favorite. Too lightweight, I think, so goes down. Then I have those pants. I think white pants is not something that you wear right now, so goes away. My vest, maybe keeping. Underneath there is some linen. No, these kind of shirts, like I don't wear them when it's too cold, but it kind of tells me something that I might wear them a little bit more, so they're gonna stay a little bit more. Pants are staying because I wear them in the winter. This top, motorcycles. This top is definitely going. This top and those shorts are going as well, I think. Even though I haven't worn those shorts even once this year, I don't know why. Maybe I wasn't feeling confident enough. They are satin. And this top I wore a little bit, but not gonna wear it in the winter. This top as well. This is my very fancy shirt. Staying. This shirt as well is staying. This shirt, for some reason, I haven't worn in summer, even though I loved it last summer and I loved it previous summer as well. It's still good. It just goes to the storage. This shirt is not worn by me by any means. I will try and ask my mom if she wants to put it on, and if it fits her, maybe I should give her this shirt because she lives somewhere where summer is not too summery. So maybe this shirt will work out for her, because for me, unfortunately, I loved the shorts, even though they shrinked a bit. But this shirt, I never wear it. It's too hot for the summer because, you know, when you wear everything brown, it's just too much in 40 degrees. White t-shirt, staying with me forever. For some reason, I'm not wearing it. I don't know why. Maybe too boring? Okay, I don't know if I can sit like that, but I will. We're gonna figure out everything that I have in here. I literally regret having so much clothes right now, but that's just me. Okay, we have a dress that I wore for my birthday. It's a beautiful dress, but it's very summery. I have this top slash dress, which everyone knows from Zara. I think I'm gonna keep it for now because I think I can layer it. At least we're gonna try. So it goes inside of my wardrobe. Summer shorts, summer shorts, summer shorts. All linen, all ironed for some reason. My jeans, my boyfriend's. We also need to go through all of this drawers, so bear with me. Okay, I have my jeans. My jeans are staying. I have another jeans and my sweatpants. This is definitely something that I'm gonna wear. I have this very cool crochet looking cardigan, which I love. It's just that it's kind of see-through and it's also a short sleeve. I love it, but I don't know if I'm gonna wear it. I think I need to keep it for just a little bit and then maybe it goes away. Linen pants. Going. A matching set. It's for summer. The linen pants. This is my t-shirt and some long sleeve top, which you could see in my Zara haul. Love it. Keep it. What I bought. I have my hoodie, which is a zip one. Need to wear it. I have my sweaters in here. Those are the jeans that I'm kind of liking, but kind of not. We're gonna figure them out. Sweatpants. My green sweater. I love it. Another cool sweater. I love it. Looking like that. My hoodie. I'm so tired of all of my old things, but also I don't know if I want to buy any more things. I have some black pants. I need to put them on, try them on, and see if I'm back into this size of them because they are size extra small, I think. Yeah, they're size extra small. Used to fit in them. I don't know if I'm gonna fit in them, but we're gonna see. If I'm gonna fit in them, I'm gonna probably keep them. If I'm not gonna fit in them, they go into my mom's house because I don't wear them. This is my New Year's dress. I love it so much. I want to wear it again. I wore it for the International Women's Day as well. I don't know. I love it. I think it's so cute. Earthy tones are complementary for me. Okay, and those are just t-shirts. I literally keep them all the time because I use them as underlayers for a lot of my sweaters. Let's go through everything that we have in here. Underwear. You're not invited there. Okay, my jeans. Jeans I'm keeping. Shorts going. We have a denim skirt that I am gonna keep as well because it's a very, very long one with a slit in the front. I have another pair of shorts that are going. These are my favorite pair of pants right now. They're very noisy, but I like them. My new jeans, looking forward to wear them. I also have this denim skirt that I just bought and I love it, but I don't think that I'm not sure. I'm gonna keep it for a little bit, I think till the end of October, and then I'm gonna put it in a suitcase. And then I have a pair of shorts. I broke the zip and I don't know what to do with them. I think I need to ask somebody to fix them, and I haven't worn them as you can see, but I really love them. So I'm gonna keep them and ask to be fixed. This is my huge denim suit. You can see. I don't know how to store it properly because it's so long. It's obviously stained because I love it so much. So aside, this is my old pair of jeans that I wear on a rainy day. So I'll just keep them for now because I don't have another pair and all of my other pairs are super long, but I hope I will find a new pair. This is my black skirt with some ruching on top. I love it, but I think I want to do something to it. Or maybe I should, I think I'm gonna give it to my mom. We'll figure out. And my mom's pants, she's gonna come and get them. Got them for her on sale. I'm adding my sweatpants, another jeans, and my beautiful proper jeans in here as well. Talking pants going in, skirt, another pair of pants. Looking good. This is not looking good. This is very bad. This top I love. I need to wear it more. Summery dresses, summery dresses, summery dresses, summery clothes like that, which I don't fit in anymore. How I was so small, I don't know. What is this? A very old t-shirt of mine that I quite enjoy actually. Let me keep it. My mom's purchase again. Mama, I have so much of yours. The dress that I made into a long top, which I want to wear more. I just need to think a little bit of how I can do this. Okay, this is going to this pile. Keeping it for some more experiments, I think so. Long sleeve tops. 1, 2. I never wear it, but I love it. I don't know if I should keep it or not. Let's just try it on again. Long sleeve top 3. Long sleeve top 4. T-shirt. Keeping it. This top, which I put on hold, and I kind of like it. I kind of like it, but I don't know why I don't wear it. I don't know why. I like it, but I don't wear it. Cardigan. Cardigan I keep. I love it. Another cardigan, another top. Beautiful one. This top, haven't worn it. Got a stain on it. Going in a washing. Old tank top, new tank top. Cardigans, a little cardigan, one of the most warming sweaters down there. It's just that I don't need it. Some of my lighter sweaters, a bigger sweater. Then we have all of the t-shirts. These are my long sleeve tops. And then all of my tank tops are there. I would love to hang everything, honestly, except for the sweaters, of course. But it's just that I don't have enough space for that. So that's it. We're done. If you have seen my other videos where I tidy up my wardrobe, you know that I also have this section with all of my jackets. I already put my winter wool coat in there because I thought it will be so cold, but I haven't worn it yet. That's okay. I have all of my trenches and different other jackets. I'm just gonna keep all of them in here. I think they're totally fine. If you want to see, I can do a little time lapse of tidying up my bags and my accessories as well. So this section will be right now. I I did get rid of maybe like 4 bags that I had in here. So basically this is all I have. My princess cooler, this old Zara bag that I bought maybe last year. This is the bag I made myself. Don't judge me. That was my first time. I'm gonna wear this bag right now in the autumn. And then in the back, I have my bottle bag. This is the like a banana bag or like, I don't know, like a sports bag, crossbody that I wear when I just go out for a little walk. It's pretty summery. Not gonna wear it. This is my beach bag. Those 2 of my more evening bags. This one and also this one. This small little baby. That's it. That's all I have for my bags. We're talking about the dirty stuff. This is my most dirty section that I have. It's always like that. I cannot do anything with this. It's just how it is. Okay guys, now when I am fully out of breath, absolutely tired and not able to do anything else, we are done finally. I really like making such videos and I really like tidying up my wardrobe, even though sometimes it gets very messy. Yes, I am messy like that, but I don't mind it. Happy fall for all of you guys. I'm looking forward to drink my pumpkin spice latte. My wardrobe is fully ready for autumn and winter season. I hope yours too. Tell me in the comments if you are ready for fall and winter. Have you drank your pumpkin spice latte or you totally hate it? Okay, this is everything that I wanted to say. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like that or some different other ones. Thanks for watching and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!